Hey guys, welcome back to Kemari Reaction for another reaction video. How are you guys doing? Welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy you guys are coming back. I really do appreciate it. So this is another recommendation to the group StarBe, and this is a music video to the song Time to Fly. So I'm here for it. Yes, in the background you guys gonna see Bye Bye Drama because I do like that. Always forever probably use that background. Ooh. Oh, he looks good. Let me go back. Oh, looks real good. Come on with the drama. Oh yeah, he looks real good. Oh, what kind of voodoo Wiccan is going on here? What's going on? Come on, fantasy world. Oh, I feel like they're gonna they want to tear it up. They want to tear it up. Oh, come on, transition. Oh, she's gorgeous. It's so gorgeous. They're gonna get that. Let me go back for a minute. Yeah. Come on, ladies. Love it. Come on, bad bitch energy. Talk your shit, bitch.
Bagai sebuah simfoni membuatku ingin menari. It's time to move my body, body, the body, the body. It's time to move my body, yeah, 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 yeah.
Oh, cute.
My body, body, the body, the body. Let me fly like a bird, girls. It's time to fly.
It's time to fly. Come on, give me that Bollywood feeling to it. Gorgeous. Not again, not a game console. How to fly. Gorgeous. They better go Bollywood. StarBe! Come on. StarBe! So that was a StarBe music video to the song Time to Fly. As you guys can know, I really do like this group. I'm getting so much into them. And I believe, was it this group or was it Foxy Rose? I think it was Foxy Rose who gave me a shout out. One of the members gave me a shout out on an Instagram page. And I do see other artists as well that give me a shout out on their page. I really do appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for it. And also thanks to one who gave me the recommendation to this group. I really do appreciate it. Because I would say it over and over, if I didn't start this YouTube channel, I would never even know this artist. And you guys really do open up my catalog and my discography. and my mind to look into other artists. I do know other countries and other places that have artists, but I just never crossed path. But I really do appreciate you guys for the recommendation. But whatever you guys want me to react to, feel free to leave a link below in the comment section, and I'll get to it as soon as possible. As always, who can you besides you? I really do appreciate it. Bye.